Welcome back to part 2 of trying to fix the timing problem caused by the reluctor wheel spinning out of place on the Chevy 1.5 turbo. Look, GM put out a TSB. They want you to replace the camshaft. I thought there's got to be a better, easier way. So we tried it out with the white one here. It worked. So we put the scientific method into action. You know, it's got to be observable, repeatable, and testable. So let's try it out again. Well, we did. And unlike the vaccine, I've got real cars with real problems and real solutions. Check this out. Got another Malibu here. What year is this one? This is a 2020. Got towed in, died while driving. Got some, crank no start now. Got all the codes for timing. We're pulling the valve. We're about to pull the valve cover. So let's pop this off. Let's see what, let's see if that cam's screwed up. Maybe bust out the Binford welder. At the same time, I got Aaron Stokes here teaching me something about business. Yeah, I know cars. The business side, I've always struggled with. So, Shop Fix Academy, every once in a while, offers some free training. If you're a tech, shop owner, and whatever, dude, Shop Fix is pretty cool. They didn't pay me to say that. So I've learned a lot from them and implemented it. That's one of the main things in this industry. If you think you know everything, dude, you're going to fail. Let's pop this thing off, see what kind of camshaft action we have going on. Something around that vacuum pump, it's got to come out. I'm pulling out the vacuum pump right now. All right, give it a little pryage. Ooh, man, let's see if this thing's all blown up. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah! Look at that! Look, guys, I'm with you, dude. Look at this. You guys see, before I flip the camera around, I just want to make sure you guys tell I'm not BSing you. That thing is blowed up. Let me flip the camera around. No, not to me. All right, guys. So we took out got the vacuum pump out. We can see that it was like, boom! Did a little grenade action with a little Rambo in there. Now we got the valve cover all loose. And I just told Shop Fix I was bragging about them at no charge. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going to slide this right up without taking it out and take a look at that. And we're going to check out the hey, I didn't show it earlier. Guys, you gotta loosen up the wastegate so that you can get the thingamabob out. So here's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and I'm dripping snot all over this thing, dude. I'm giving him some free DNA, man. No charge. The guy's name's Alex. He's probably going to watch this. I actually showed Alex the video to this first. And then, and he was like, man, I think that's a good idea. I was like, yeah, me too. So I did the video. All right. So, shove let's shove the wastegate back. We'll shove it back. Just shove it on back. Shut up, shitting up before I shut you up. All right. Got that shoved back. You guys ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Bum, 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 bum. That song's pretty good. I like Marky Mark. I like Mark Wahlberg. I invite Mark Wahlberg to come hang out in the shop. Come on, Mark. Y'all ready for this? Bump, 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 bump. Oh, the magnet got it. Dang it. All right, guys. This here is the reluctor wheel, all right? That there needs to line up with a QR code looking thing that should be right here. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and spin this around and get the QR code up. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and pull the spark plugs real quick so we can turn the engine over easy. Get your big bad Milwaukee fuel. I love these bad boys, man. And whoop! We're going to rotate it around. It's nice and easy because we took the plugs out. And if you look right here, what we're trying to do is there's like a QR code looking thing. You'll see what I'm talking about here in just a minute. And we're looking for the QR code. Oh, here it comes. All right, you guys see that? Talking about this guy right here. So we got that right up top. And with that up top, it should line up with that one piece that was over here. But it's not. It's way off. We got to fix that. Watch this. I really wanted you guys to see this. We hear a brass punch so it doesn't booger this thing up. Let's go ahead and pop it around. I wonder if we heat this thing up with the torch, if it'll spin a lot easier. Let's find out. Woo! We're going to smack it around, line it up, get our big bad Binford welder. Oh, yeah. We're going to fire this bad boy up. We're going to help this customer save a ton of money, get them back on their vacation. Because you know what? Any other shop would have sold them a $4,000 ticket. Not here. Less customers, more personal attention, man. That's how you do business. As much as I'd like to do Aaron's class, man, he's talking about only $497 a month. Man, I ain't paid the mortgage in 3 months. All right, guys, check it out. I got that thing lined up. I'm just going to weld that reluctor wheel right in place. Let it fly. Somebody's like, you can't do that. Sure I can. Hold my Topo Chico. Watch this. That's what I'm talking about. All right, check it out. Got that thing welded up. Gonna go ahead and throw the valve cover back on. Look, got the fuel rail still in place. You don't gotta pull all that crap out, son. Guys, you just gotta do a little finagling here, all right? Just you know, just a little finagling. To be one that finagles. Or as me and Alf say, quack. Yeah. Look at that. Just slide that right over. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like that's how it should be in the service manual. Pull that back. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. It's happening. It's happening. Pry that back just a wee bit. And there. Oh, there. That's nice. My hands have been touched by God. If it's broke, I'm like Jeff Spicoli. I can fix it. Remember, you saw it here first. I welded the reluctor wheel right to the camshaft. Tune back in next time. And remember, I actually do this stuff. Let's check it out. Here's the first one. Rev it up! We got no check engine light. Oh yeah. Let's head over to the black one. Check it out. Look, it's that easy, guys. It shouldn't take you more than a few hours to go ahead and knock this out. All kidding aside, if you're a tech and these videos have helped you out, awesome. I'm so glad God used me in a positive way. And if you want, send me some El Tapo Chico. If you're a shop owner and you're looking for some help, ShopFix did not pay me to say this. In fact, I think I kind of ticked them off because I posted a link to the video on this one at the end of the class we were doing, saying, hey, look, I'm doing another video, where I'm going to be bragging about you guys, because they really have helped me. If you need help, I definitely reach out to them. In all seriousness, I haven't paid the mortgage in 3 months, and I can't afford to go ahead and buy into it. So it's not that I don't want to, it's that I can't. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget, Topo Chico, here, send it to me. I love that stuff. I'll see you guys next time.